Hey you, yeah, you. Take a breath with me. Now imagine a world where that breath, that single inhale connects us all. Different countries, different faces, different dreams, one shared humanity. I know it sounds huge, right? But stay with me. We're living in times where division gets all the headlines, but beneath those headlines, something bigger is growing. It's the unstoppable urge for peace, for unity, for love. Everywhere I look, I see people reaching across borders, shaking hands, sharing meals, building bridges, literal bridges, and the invisible ones in our hearts. I see governments sitting at tables translating hope into action, not just for their own people, but for the global family. I see students in classrooms learning not just facts, but empathy. Doctors sharing breakthroughs across continents. Farmers trading seeds and wisdom from one hemisphere to the other. Peace isn't just the absence of war, it's the presence of justice and laughter and prosperity that doesn't leave anyone behind. It's the smile between strangers, the call for a better tomorrow, the courage to say, let's do this together. I get it, the world's problems look massive, but here's the secret. Every movement in history started with just one person saying, enough. Enough of the fear, enough of the separation, let's unite. Look at the communities rising up after disasters, rebuilding with stronger hands and bigger hearts. Look at scientists joining forces across time zones, racing for cures, not for profit, but for people. Look at artists painting hope on city walls, musicians writing anthems for peace, dancers spinning joy into our timelines. Behind every headline about conflict, there are a million stories about togetherness, about abundance, about governments putting down differences to pick up solutions. There are leaders listening, really listening to their people, realizing that when one of us prospers, all of us do. But here's the thing, peace isn't just the job of politicians or celebrities. It's you, and it's me. It's every choice I make, how I treat the person next to me, how I welcome the newcomer, stand up for fairness, or simply listen with an open mind. I dream of a world where love is louder than hate, where prosperity isn't a privilege but a promise, where unity is the norm, not the exception. And I know I'm not alone. Millions of us are dreaming the same dream. So let's connect, across nations, across beliefs, across every boundary we thought was real. This is your invitation, my invitation, our call to action. Unite for peace, share your hope, reach out. Let's be the generation that turns connection into abundance, and abundance into lasting peace. The world is watching, and the future, it starts with us. Right now.